Okay, this dinner turned out so good. Sticky honey garlic chicken, roasted veggies, crispy sweet potatoes over rice, and honestly, this made enough for dinner plus leftovers for a couple more nights. First, let's chop all the veggies. I'm cutting everything pretty chunky since we're roasting them. Start with 1 bell pepper, half of a red onion, about 7 large mushrooms cut into thick slices, two carrots, and then some cauliflower florets. I used a little less than half a head of cauliflower. And honestly, this was a lot of food for 2 people. Now for the sauce. Mince 3 cloves of garlic and add that to a bowl with 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix until the honey melts into the sauce. For the sweet potatoes, I baked them earlier for about an hour. Cut the ends off, then just cut them into chunks. Add all the veggies and sweet potatoes into a large baking dish and pour the sauce over everything. Now, because my pan was very full, I had to mix it a few times while cooking so the veggies would actually roast instead of steam. Still tastes good either way, honestly. It just depends on whether you want softer veggies or more caramelized edges. Pour the sauce over and then mix until everything seems coated. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes, mixing every 10 minutes or so if your pan is crowded like mine. I also have rice going on the stove already. I used 3/4 cup of rice with 1 1/4 cups of water, plus a little oil, salt, and garlic powder. Now for the chicken. Add a tablespoon of oil to a pan, and once it's hot, add the chicken. Tonight, I kept the seasoning simple with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Cook for about 5 minutes per side. I love cooking, and I hope this is just as enjoyable and easy for you as well. If you've seen a recipe that you'd like me to cook and make easier, please let me know in the comments. I love finding new recipes and making them my own. I wanted both sides extra golden and crispy, so I let the lighter side cook another couple of minutes. Then, for the final glaze, add 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce right into the pan and let it cook onto the chicken for about a minute per side. And that's it. A pretty easy dinner that tastes amazing and will keep you coming back for more. Honestly, meals like this are my favorite because it's so healthy, and if you try this, let me know because this was way better than I expected. I hope you have an amazing day or night wherever you're watching from. Thank you so much for being here with me for another video, and I will see you in the next one real soon.